Oh my goodness, we're having too much fun. All those guns going off make you feel like you're at a Revolutionary War fight, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does. So where'd you get the idea for this?
Just something I dreamed up. Just put one just on the other side. It's the same one. We don't have to fight with holding them. The same thing again over here. Just something I cook up. My brain's kind of warped or something, I guess.
I'm gonna have to build me one. This is fun.
Easy to do. Just a piece of plywood and put screws in it. You know, and then just what I do, just wind it up here for about 5 minutes. This time we'll go 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Fire. I think you're right. I think y'all heard 5 is fire. And then you don't know how long I've been waiting to do this. This crazy fun day.
I'll say,
Huh?
twice as many shooters. This was
Oh,
4 times as fun.
Oh man, this is great. We'll stay there. I thought it's been pretty good, don't you think?
All right, shooters online.
All guns ready? Aim! Count with me. 3.
No, you're not spinning yet.
Well, you're a good you're a good observer. All right, count with me. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Oh yeah!
Yeah, that was cool. Okay, Barry, there's one left for you.
Wow, that was cool. Thank you. Oh, you're the guy.
I was the first one.
Zero down now.
Oh, that's cool, bud.
Just as you hit the one, I was just ready to squeeze the trigger. It went away.
It's like you're gonna pick the full one. It's gonna look better.
Yeah.